Microcontroller. What is microcontroller? What they can do? How can we use them? Where they are being used? These are some questions that come to our mind if someone of us meet the word microcontroller. In this video, we will learn about microcontroller and embedded system. So don't go away if you really want to have answers to all of your questions related to microcontroller. Whether you belong to an IT field or not, you might have heard about microcontroller and wondering what they are. Simply, microcontroller is nothing but an integrated circuit or IC which has its own processor, memory, and peripherals pin. Microcontrollers are also called pocket computers. When we upload a program or a software to microcontroller, then they save it into their memory and begin to process the data, taking input, processing, and then showing the result at its output pin. These microcontrollers, together with some additional electronic components, make a system that's called embedded system. Embedded systems are designed to perform dedicated tasks within a time constraint. These embedded systems make it easy to use these microcontrollers. You can easily burn programs and add input and output devices to your microcontroller according to your need. And here is how our embedded system looks like. These microcontrollers have an outstanding feature to be programmed in any computer language. Whether you know anything about microcontroller or not, but reality is microcontroller is being used everywhere and in everything around us. Whether it's a household machine, devices, communication devices, transport system, home, everything from a toy to a rocket is using these microcontrollers. With these microcontrollers, you can make some awesome projects like automate your home or can make a student project, some interesting robots, and many more. In my upcoming videos, I will use Arduino board to make some cool projects. So don't forget to like and subscribe my channel to get my upcoming videos on microcontroller. And if you have any question about microcontroller or embedded system, then you can ask me in comments. And thanks for watching.